Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ram, and today I am back with a new sneaker review. Sneaker gods have blessed me and I was able to pick up a pair of these for retail. I hit a raffle, the Asics Gel-Lyte III. This is a collaboration between Sean Wotherspoon and Atmos. Let's get into the review. Ever since this collab was announced, I was very interested. I really wanted a pair of these because I missed out on the Nike Sean Wotherspoon collab. So this is a collab between Asics on the Gel-Lyte III, celebrating 30 years of the Gel-Lyte III model. One was designed by Atmos and this pair was designed by Sean Wotherspoon. They released on the 20th of August. They also released in June in Japan, and Atmos is a Japan-based store. And they're really cool. I really like them. They're only released in certain retailers in the EU. I was able to cop these from a few. Let's have a look at this in more detail. No, let's have a look at the box because the box is very important to this shoe. As you can see, Sean Wotherspoon's logo, Atmos, and the Asics logo. But when you open the box, you get this message, and it basically says celebrating 30 years of the Gel-Lyte III model. And also, when you remove the tissue and you look in the bottom of the shoe, in the shoe box, you can see the actual design of the shoe. So that's very cool. Also, with this shoe, you get different stickers for the shoe, which actually goes on the side because these are removable. You can take them off and they come in different colors. So yeah, very cool. And I like it. You get 3 different colors in the here. You also get these stickers, with one for the logo for Sean Wotherspoon and one for the logo for Atmos. Let's have a look at the Atmos designed pair first, and this is supposed to depict Japan and Tokyo, and this is where the Atmos store is located. So let's have a look at this in more detail. This is the Sean Wotherspoon design pair, and this was supposed to depict what it's like in California, where Sean is from and where his stores are. Let's have a look at this in more detail. So that's it for the video today, guys. Please remember to hit the subscribe button below and hit me in the comments to let me know what you want to see next on the channel. I am thinking of doing an investment video of all my current holds, and I'm going to post that next. Peace.